Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm your humble Picaso. Thanks for joining in. And today guys, this video has been a long time in the making. Today, sorry for the video quality, but this is the only way I can really do this at the moment, which, you know, also pertains to the purpose of this video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys, as you can see on screen here, my computer specs. Now, the reason why I'm sharing my specs with you guys is because I want some advice. You know, I'm hoping that somebody out there will kind of give me the help that I'm looking for. So basically, you guys see the specs. It's not the greatest specs in the world. Obviously, you know, I did mention, a couple videos back that I've gotten into PC gaming. There's a couple of things that I can do well with my PC and a couple of things I can't, and obviously, you know, you guys out there who are, big PC gamers, or who know a little bit more about gaming on a PC, I'm hoping you guys can help me out, and you guys will obviously understand what I'm going through here. So basically, games like Paladins here, one of my favorite games, another one, Realm Royale, Quake Champions, Splitgate, those games, they work perfectly. The character models are great, no issues whatsoever, anything like that. The game runs perfectly, it's great, I enjoy it. Moving on to other games like Overwatch, Apex Legends, obviously, that's a more heavy-handed game, so that one's kind of pretty self-explanatory without me having to dive too much into it. But like Overwatch here, and Fortnite, for example, Apex Legends, those games now my PC struggles. Now, not with Overwatch or games like said Overwatch or Fortnite, but as you see here, the game runs smooth, gameplay is fine, there's no buckle. But as you can see here on Echo's face, I'm not sure if it's really relating that much through the camera, but the character models, they're very pixelated. Right, so that's the only issue with these games, is that they are pixelated, and obviously you can tell that now I don't know if it's graphics card, which again, don't hate me, but that seems that it is graphics card area why that's struggling right there. Apex Legends is just extremely slow, so I know it's because of the PC and the power my PC has visually. I don't know what else, maybe RAM, maybe motherboard, or speed, or etc. So the help I'm looking for you guys is one question: is it better to just get something better, like a better gaming PC, or is this PC able to build on? Now, I did forget to actually record my PC, but it is it is a PC. I want to say it's able to add onto, you know what I mean, like it's a build, it's a custom build, so you are able to add components, remove components, etc. for you guys out there who are PC builders. I've never built a PC, so that's what I want to know, is it better to just get a gaming PC, which I kind of actually want to do a sort of try build ish type thing. So what I need from you guys, if you can help me out, somebody out there, what do I need to improve my PC? You see the specs. I give you I've given you a quick little snapshot of like the visuals. I've told you what the problems that I'm having, and I know obviously getting another gaming PC is definitely going to be more cost expensive. So I'm wondering if I can go the other route, get the parts, put them in myself, and beef up this computer. Now, I don't know if the motherboard would have to just get a new motherboard and just start from scratch, if that's the case that I have to do, or if this PC buildable, like is this PC worth working on? Again, I don't know how it works, so even if I'm adding in something new, I might just definitely need to get a new motherboard, and if that's the case, I'm looking for recommendations on parts, etc. I'm not trying to break the bank either, but I do want to be able to run those games and the character models are showing. I would love to play Apex Legends on my computer, even at very minimal settings, but as long as it's playable. And to be honest, I don't mind the character models even being a little pixelated. I would prefer they're not, so I am looking to get out of that situation with pixelated characters in certain games. But yeah, so also because I'm doing PC gaming, I do want to do a little bit of recording the game as well, and for that I do have my Elgato HD 60. Right now that records, but then the video, even while recording, it chips in, it chips out, it stops, the video starts getting corrupted a little bit, the screen, it's pixelated, it freezes. These are the issues that I'm having, and I need some help. So I'm really looking forward to some suggestions, some ideas. You know, the main thing is this PC worth building on, or should I just start over and just, you know, build from scratch? Because I know definitely going for a pre-built custom gaming PC is definitely expensive. Again, not trying to break the bank, but yeah, so I'm looking forward to you guys' suggestions and everything. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you can. I really appreciate it. It really helps out. We're getting there. 2,000 subscribers. You know, we'll hit it. Really thank you guys for the support. I hope everybody is staying at home and keeping safe. Don't go out unless you have to, whether you know, think it's a hoax or it's serious, you know, whatever the case may be, just stay safe, you know. Yeah, we'll get through this together, you know, as the human race always does. So yeah, as always, I'm your humble Picasso. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Looking forward to hearing your suggestions. Peace. I'm out.